Hi everyone. Let's start today's project. So I want to show you how you can go and find all of these images here. And then also I will show you how you can click them and they will change. Look at this. Also, if you can hear, they have a sound effect. Look at this one. And now let's click this one. Now this one. This one doesn't have a sound, but it changes when we click it. So let's see how we can do something like this. Let me open a new project and we will start. So we want to go to our new project. And the website I'm using is this website scratch.mit.edu. And also I can show you if you are not signed in. Let me sign out. So you will see this page if you're not signed in. Look at the address bar here. It says scratch.mit.edu. So if you don't have an account, don't worry. You can go here and click Start Creating. But remember, at the end, you need to save it to your device. So at the end, remember to go here to File and then Save to your computer. Now let's start. So let's close this. We don't need this one. So you will see this cat, and maybe you want to find some new friends for your cat or some stuff that the cat needs. Okay, you can go find things from here. Like click this cat head, and then here you go. You will see lots of different pictures. Let's say you want to bring an animal. You can scroll down or you can click this tab on top and then you will see all of the animals. So let's say you want a dog, and when you click it, it will get selected and it will get added to this page. How about a person? Let's go find a person. So click the same cat head and go find someone from here. Maybe you like Andy. Or you can click people to see all the rest of the characters. Okay. So click the one that you like. I'm gonna select this one and you can put him somewhere here. Let's say you're not sure what else you want to add. You can do something fun. So if you go here, don't click it. If you scroll up and click this star, kind of like star-like thing. Surprise, let's click and see. Ooh, let's see who's here. Who's this one? It's a new character. Let's do one more time. So you can do this to get characters that just randomly appear. They can be things. Let's see, click one more time. Oh, a dog, one more time, a car. So if you don't like any of these, you can click, select the sprite. So these are called sprites. All of the characters and things are called sprites. So you can click this and then click the trash can next to it. And it's gonna ask, are you sure you want to delete this? And you say yes. Here you go. Now what? You have all of the images. How can you make them change? Like I showed you how you click it and it changes the pose or it does something. So let's say we want to change the cat. So first of all, we have to select the sprite that we want to change. So make sure it's selected, click, and it will turn purple, like the color will change. So now I'm sure the cat is selected. I can go here to the yellow circle to the left and grab this one. And you can zoom in to see it bigger. So this says when this sprite clicked. So it means when I click the cat, I want something to happen. Maybe I want a sound. If you click the sound circle and grab this one, and it will do this. So it says when I click the sprite, which is this cat, the sound will play. Let's look at it bigger. Click full screen view and see, like, look at this. Click. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. So what if I want it to change? Here, if we click this tab, we will see that this cat has two different poses. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we know it has two different poses that are called two costumes. So our cat has another costume, so we can change it. Let's go to code, grab, and the yellow circle again, and grab the yellow code and bring it here when this sprite clicked. Ready? So now we want this cat to do two things. Like first was the sound effect, and then now we want it to also move, like change pose. So we go to looks and we grab next costume. Now let's click and see what will happen. So it's changing the pose, also it's making the sound. What if I want the dog to do the same thing? First of all, we have to select the dog. If you double click, it will get selected. Also, you can select by clicking this square. Click this. Okay, I want to select this this one. First, I have to check and see if it has any other costumes. Let's click the costume tab. Whoa, the dog has 3 costumes. Now that we know it has 3 costumes, we can go and change it. So let's grab next costume and drag and drop it to the center. And then now let's go to events and grab the third one. Here you go. Now let's test it. I click the dog and then it shows me the next costume every time I click. How about adding the sound? Remember, we click the sound circle and grab play sound. And this one has a different sound. Let's click it and it will run. So, and we do the same thing when this sprite clicked. So 2 things happen. One is changing the costume, and then the second one is the sound. And you can look at it full screen and full screen view. Dog. The other ones I click, nothing happened. You can do the same thing for the rest of the sprites, and also you can add more sprites if you like. Let's go back. So let's see if all of the sprites have other poses. We know that the cat has another pose, the dog has one. Oh, I'm not sure. Let's see. Costume. Yes, it has 2 costumes. And Andy, how about Andy? Andy has other poses as well. So all of the sprites we got have a different costume. Ooh, this one has a lot. And let's see. This one doesn't have any other. See, there's only one. So I cannot say go to next costume because nothing will happen. Okay, I want to do the same thing for this sprite. So make sure to select and grab the yellow one when the sprite clicked. What's next? Do you remember? So I want to change the pose. What should I add? We have to change how it looks, right? So we go to the circle that says looks and it's purple. And we look for the code next costume. Let's see if it works. It does. Do we want a sound? Maybe, maybe not. But let's see if it has any sounds. This is the sound. Let's grab it and put it here. So we can attach this one to this. Like every time it will, we click, it will go to next costume, and then after that, it will play the sound. Let's test it. If you want the sound to play first, you can put it here. So to change the order of the code, you can just drag it, separate it, and then put it up on the top. And let's see. So this one, the sound should play first, and then it has to change the costume. See? You hear the sound, and then it changes the pose. But if you want two things to happen at the same time, you have to bring one of these yellow ones again. Like you need two of the yellow one when this sprite clicked. Okay, that was for Andy. And let's see, maybe we want to add another costume, like another sprite. So let's go find something else. I'm gonna click this one. And we can look at this one, or fashion, or letters. Okay, I'm gonna use something from here. These are really fun. The milk and the strawberry. I'll bring the strawberry. And I'll put it on top of the car. So you can have fun with this. You can bring different sprites and you can arrange them in your project and have fun with it. So let's do the same thing for the strawberry. We want it to change costume. When we click it, we need to go to next costume. Here we go. And also when we click it, we want the sounds to play at the same time. And this one has a different sound. Okay, I want to show you one more thing and then we will go. So from here, you can record your sound. You can sing or say things or make sound effects. Or you can go here. Do you see this tab on top? It says sounds. So click this one, and then you can click this. And here you will find lots of different sounds. You can play and hear them. Let's say you want to look for only the effects. You click the effects, and let's say I select one of the effects. I will select this one. If you want to select something, you just click it. It will go to your sounds. And then when you go back to code, you will have this one, like this one added to your sounds. So chomp. Actually, it was chomp. This is funny. Okay, let's go back. Okay, effects, and let's do, I don't know, let's do the coin. And then if you go back, you will see you have this one. Also, you can go inside the sound, like you can go here and let's say I have two jumps. I can make one of them a little bit different, like robotic. Reverse. So you can play with the sounds and see, make it louder, slower, faster. So play with the sounds and see what you can make. Let's go to this, and yeah, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Go find your sprites, add sound effects, and change the costumes and have fun with it, okay? So see you next time. Bye.